This video shows the control board used to control the lights and sounds in an animated diorama. It shows an event timer controlling the security lights on the diorama's large main building. That main building's lights, 3 sheds that have background sounds that start when the sheds light up, street lights that fade on and off, and a board with 3 MP3 players with different sounds that start at different times. Additionally, there is an independently powered set of flashing lights for a traffic warning sign. Finally, there is a switch-controlled MP3 player that is used to give on-demand information about the diorama to viewers. Below the video, there is a link where you can click out to another diorama with much more extensive event timer animation sequence. And there are links to information about the individual boards controlled by this and other event timers. The program is a 24-hour fast clock that is defaulted for the purposes of this video to 5 minutes. It starts with the street lights at maximum brightness, security lights for the main building on, and lights for the traffic warning sign flashing. As time passes, the LED that is pasted in the top of the diorama lights and proceeds to change colors as it goes through the daily cycle. The street lights fade off and the building security lights go off as the lights in the sheds go on and the sounds associated with the operations in and around the sheds start. The timer proceeds through the full cycle, and the various lights go on and off in timed sequence. You'll watch that as you proceed through this video. You can change the sequence, edit or delete boards, add or delete lights, and so on. You get full instructions on how to do that through the link below. Now, if you note, the LED, which appears to be white, you look closely, is changing color as it goes through the daylight hours. The main building lights all are associated with a single building. You can change it so that those lights will operate in more than one building. Just take some and put in one building, others in another building. So let's just sit back. I will say nothing. Let you watch this so you fully understand what happens. But I emphasize, look below. There's full information out about the particular boards, what you can do to change them, and how you can use them. I hope this helps. It's now nighttime again. Sunlight's gone, and we're back to the beginning.